This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Electra Alexander. Refreshed third floor condo unit. Located in the heart of Ghent. Hardwood floors. Stainless steel appliances. Washer and dryer. Rent includes grounds maintenance, water, sewer and trash pickup. Pets are welcome in accordance with the Condo Association rules and regulations. Pet restrictions, pet security deposit, and monthly pet rent will apply. To apply, copy link retrent.com/listings/D825FFA142-B9C281B2D82863DB. For more information, review the details below or contact Electra Alexander at 757-523-1216.